Have you ever heard of the Russian Samovar tea tradition? More than just a way to brew tea, the samovar is a symbol of Russian hospitality and culture. To make it, you start with strong black tea, just a few spoonfuls placed in a small teapot and steeped with a little boiling water. This creates a powerful concentrate called Zavarka. The teapot is then placed on top of the samovar, a large metal urn that keeps water hot for hours so the Zavarka stays warm all day long. When it's time to drink, a little of this concentrate is poured into your cup and then diluted with hot water from the samovar, and everyone adjusts the strength to their own taste. Traditionally, the tea is enjoyed with a slice of lemon, a spoonful of jam, or even a sugar cube held between the teeth while sipping. But the samovar was never just about tea, it was the heart of the Russian household. Families and friends would gather around it for long conversations, laughter, and storytelling. Samovars themselves became treasured items, with some made of simple copper and others crafted in elaborate silver designs, often passed down as family heirlooms. And the best part is, you don't need a samovar to enjoy this tradition at home. You can brew a strong concentrate in any teapot and dilute it with hot water from your kettle, exactly the same way. Russian samovar tea isn't just a drink, it's a ritual of warmth, togetherness, and tradition. So next time you sip black tea, remember the samovar, an icon of Russian culture that has brought people together for centuries. Cheers to history and hospitality. Subscribe for more tea traditions around the world.